So managing blackgrass is all about stacking all your options together. It's not just about chemical control. The first thing you need to think about is your rotation, your crop rotation. What that does is enable you to use different products for a start in your different crops, but also by moving from winter cropping to spring cropping, it enables us to control blackgrass with non-selective herbicides, where we have no issues with herbicide resistance at the moment. So rotation is the first point. Secondly, cultivation. The way we move the soil about will have an effect on the seed bank in the soil, and that will have an effect on the level of blackgrass control we can achieve, because it will affect where the blackgrass germinates from and how it can be controlled with our pre-emergence herbicides. Burying seed down with ploughing, for instance, on a rotational basis can be an important tool. The third part of the base of the stack is drilling date. The more we can delay drilling, the more chance we have to use non-selective options to take blackgrass out before the crop comes through. So by taking our worst fields and not drilling them early, even as far as delaying them until the spring, is an important tool in the armoury of managing blackgrass. So the second layer of our stack is about herbicide options. And the first of those is pre-emergence. Pre-emergence herbicides are residual herbicides, they're soil acting, they rely on moisture, but on average we can expect to get around 75% control from our pre-em herbicide when it's applied to a good seed bed. It's important within that to stack our pre-emergence herbicides as well to improve the level of control. So starting from a flufenicet base, we can add in Defy, for instance, to improve control by up to 20%. Our post-emergence options have struggled in recent years. With blackgrass, our average control we're achieving from post-emergence, depending on where we are, is around 40 to 50%, which clearly is not enough. What we're looking to achieve at the end of the day when we finish this stack is around about 97% control. And this has now become the weak option in the stack, but it's still an important part. It's important to use post-emergence herbicides correctly. The final part of the stack, and the icing on the cake, is our application. By selecting the right nozzles for the right job, we can optimise the application. So for the pre-emergence herbicide, that could mean using an angled Defy nozzle to even out the deposition of the spray on the soil. This can give us up to 20% extra control by giving us better deposition on the soil. And finally, of course, application of the post-emergence herbicide is also important. So by stacking all these elements together, we can hopefully achieve our objective of more than 97% control of blackgrass.